Hey guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here at Blue Rock State Park. And the reason I'm here today is to show off this fire tower here. So, I consider this the main feature of this park. About a few miles down the road, the main park has some trails. It has a beach that you can use during the summer. But to me, this fire tower is really the most interesting thing in this park. The park has some other, like, ruin type things scattered throughout it, but they're mostly on the side of the road in places where you can't really park. So this fire tower is in the shelter house location of the park. As you can see, there's a shelter house over there. And basically what these towers used to be used for was someone would be stationed at the very top of it, and they would be set to watch for fires. Now, these towers go really high up. You can basically see all the surrounding hills from the top. And this one is unique in the fact that they do let you climb up it. However, I'm not going to climb all the way up to the top of it because it's a bit shaky. And also at the very top, the actual access into the fire tower is locked. However, I do have my drone with me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to some drone footage I recorded showing the tower from the top. I used my drone to get a look inside the tower and a little shot showing off the surrounding area to see how much you'd actually be able to see from the fire tower.